Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings option, so let's tap. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to reset camera settings, so just tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which means that for sure we just successfully reset all camera settings and customizations. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.